In this tutorial, we will teach you how to create and use segments. A segment is defined as a smaller portion of a larger list, a focus group selected within an email list that targets a particular audience within that group. You can segment by domain names, amount of email contacts, substrings, or any other attributes that have been defined. Here are the ways to create a segment. Click on the Lists button located on the menu bar. All your email lists will display. For this example, we're going to create a segment using domain names. The email list that we will use is the AOL list. It has 50 subscribers, which all have AOL in the domain name. Click on View List. Click on Create Segment. You will see a drop-down tab. We begin by naming the segment. Let's call it the AOL Group Segment. First, let's select All and match all of the following criteria. Next, click on Domain Group Condition. This creates a segment based on a domain name. Select In for the email domain in. Then select the AOL group from our pre-populated domain list. Saving the segment will display the AOL group segment with 50 subscribers. This is the same amount of subscribers as on the original email list because our segmenting was based on the AOL domain, which is segmenting the whole list as opposed to a portion. Let's go back to the segment and edit. Click View List and choose Edit Segment. You will see the previous information displayed. Now we will change the conditions. Go to the List field and select a new email list. This list has 5,031 subscribers consisting of 50 AOL and 4,981 Hotmail email addresses. For this second example, we're going to create a segment using amounts of email contacts. This segment will limit the amount of Hotmail emails. We want to send out 2,000 Hotmail emails and not 4,981. The reason to do this is to warm up IP addresses. You will have been given a warming up process that could specify to send out 2,000 emails to the Hotmail domain for day 1. Keep the All and the In fields the same, but change the domain name to Hotmail. Click on Amount Limit and enter 1 through 2,000. The system doesn't recognize commas, so don't use them when entering the amount. Save segment and 2,000 email contacts will display in the segment. We return 24 hours later on the second day. This time we want to adjust the segment for the next 2,000 Hotmail email contacts. Click on Edit Segment. Now all we need to do is change the starting point from 1 to 2001. The total amount doesn't need to change. The system will do the calculation for you. Finally, let's set the segment based on substrings. Click on Edit Segment. First, delete the previous segment conditions by clicking on the minus circle on the right. Now add the new condition. This example will use Hotmail with a substring. Here we can select a substring based on various types of substrings wildcard at Hotmail. You can do this for any domain. You can do equal to, not equal to, or not substring. You can also send email to everything except Hotmail. This brings us to the end of our video. Be sure to check out our other university tutorials and hear how easy it is to use our email marketing system.